Hey guys, my name is Jackson Vale, and this is my persuasive presentation on my topic, Habitat for Humanity. As you guys know from our previous speeches, Habitat for Humanity is a Christian-based organization that helps provide homes and home necessities for people who can't afford it or simply are not in the position to have one. So this is my call to action and what you should consider and think about when joining Habitat. Reach out to your local Habitat to help get involved. They're happy to help you. They'll bring you in with open arms. They're really appreciative of volunteers that come to help out. They help put roofs over families' heads that really just can't afford it. And when you see a family really struggling financially and really just struggling in their home, and you walk in and see the condition that it's in, and you're a part to be able to help improve that condition and make them a whole lot happier, it makes you feel really great about yourself. Their basic home needs. Habitat runs a very cheap retail store that takes donations from other families of other houses, like things such as washers, dryers, refrigerators, doors, even simple things that all homes need that they can get for very cheap that you can help out with. Put yourself in the receiving end's shoes. So if you or your family was in need of a home, think about how badly you would need the help or want the help from Habitat for Humanity and what they could do for you and what they have to offer you. When you join Habitat, there are a lot of chances for leadership skills and team building skills, which if you work when you're very young with Habitat, it is very important and very beneficial to you to learn those team building skills for when you move up and work in real jobs later in the real world. It can be really beneficial for that. Great for service hours. So if you're in high schools run a certain program to where you can join Habitat and work and do certain projects. If you're older than 16, they let you build houses and small playhouses for kids that can't afford it. It's really great. And encourage others to join the effort. Encourage friends, family members if you can to help them come out. And even if you can't do it yourself, it'd be great to encourage other helping hands to help come join. And here's a link to my local Habitat, the address and the phone number. And thank you guys for listening. Bye-bye.